Okay, I'm really tired. Is my bed okay? I swear I just heard something from under my bed. What the? Hi, I'm the bed. What? You can talk? I mean, yeah. Hold on, wait a minute. Nah, I got schizophrenia. I cannot. I'm slow. Whatever. Okay, first off, you don't even have schizophrenia. You don't even know how to pronounce it right. And plus, you don't know how to either. Yeah, because I'm literally in your imaginary feelings. Feelings? Imaginary? What? Listen, bro, every time you stretch like that, I make noises for absolutely no reason, just to catch you off guard. You guys hear this, man? My stairs outrageous.